there's a reason why. I mean, we'd like to do more like day in the life videos, but we find ourselves negotiating most of the time and we don't get a lot done. Because, for example, today we left the house and a certain someone was like, Papa, I want my robot.
Hey, I want my robot.
Show him the robot that you wanted. Turn it around, yeah. Who's this?
Vehicle Voltron.
Yeah, Vehicle Voltron. And he says, form, arms.
Torso.
Uh-huh. And all form. But today we're just gonna have some breakfast and then, you know, go buy some stuff, prepare, you know, for the week and stuff like that. But come along.
You going on an adventure?
I'm ready for the party adventure.
Let's go.
Okay.
Let's show it. So you're wearing Jackie Lightning McQueen. Show your shirt.
I'm wearing Jackie Queen.
Jackie Queen or Lightning McQueen? You could go hide.
What the we're doing?
Because that's just a window. Oh, that's the reflection. Robot box, Nico?
Say robot box.
Whoa.
Look, don't drink that. You got a monster truck.
Queen. Woo.
Watch the talk.
Hello.
You gotta press the button to talk.
What's your favorite store?
What the?
The red store? The red store. Oh, green. Right?
Come on, buddy.
You got no coins, Nico. Those are tattoos. Because you know how the bungalows have an ant. Are you guys gonna play? What is it that you always play here?
No, put that one back. We already have one.
We got one. He's Chase. He's on the case.
I have one on my diaper.
Yeah, you do. We can safely say that we're playing everywhere we go.
What?
We're playing everywhere we go.
Yeah, pretty much. Like right now, we're using the Spidey walkie-talkies to communicate on a mission that we're on at the supermarket.
Okay, what else? Wow, look at the watermelons. You want to check on them? How do you check on them? Yeah, you slap it. You make some music?
Yeah?
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know why I always sing Star Wars. But we need some kind of meat, bro. Go get something to eat. Come on. Chun, chun, chun. Mira, Penny. That's okay. I've never had these. Ooh. Bobby, I got some sweets.
Jaffa cakes?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know, but they look amazing. Cola. And I gave this to Adrian.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. No, el que está bien rico. I was gonna give him this one, pero es dark chocolate, yeah. Mexican spaghetti candy. That was good. It is cool, right? You just want a nap here.
Oh, somebody behind.
They are so beautiful. Yeah.
Go by the what is that?
It's birthday stuff, Bobby.
What the hell?
Yeah. Is there one that you like for your birthday? We gotta go to Whole Foods. I'm forgetting.
This,
Which one do you want?
that one.
You gotta ask Daddy. Agradable, sí. Estaban volviéndose locos con Nico allí. I was Katie. Yeah. Oh.
Like, what is it about Nico? Do you think that people?
I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm tired. It's the heat and having to run around. Nico, no. Nico, don't touch. Nico, don't pull that. Nico, put it back.
People think he's an angel. He looks like an angel, but he's definitely a 3-year-old.
Yeah. A three-nager.
Three-nager, yeah.
Or living with the three-nager.
Oh, he just said three-nager. Papi, okay. That's how you gotta be. Living the life, baby. Be living the life. That's how I'm criticón. Okay, what are you doing with that stick? This is for his friends at daycare. Alright, so we're including a little bit of everything that Nico likes. The Kit Kat, that's his favorite chocolate as far as we know. Some cookies, some Uchis. What do he call Uchis? Gushies. But they're Uchis. And then we have gummy bears, not gummy bears, but gummies. And some notebooks to write that smell like different fruits. And some pens. And of course, and Chupa Chups. Those are his favorite lollipops. Do you see Gabi?
Yes.
Where could he be?
He might be under the. He might be up.